Hello, good day people. Welcome to another exciting tutorial. So this time I'll be showing you guys how to cut and sew the perfect 6-piece skirt. So do watch to the end, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks. Fold your fabric into two and take the first three important markings. First, the hip line. I'm taking 10. The next line is the knee line and I'm taking 19.5. Now thirdly, I'm taking 8 after dividing by 6. I got 8. So I'll be marking 8 from the waist to the down of the skirt. I'm using my ruler to make it straight. The hip size remains unchanged. Then from the knee line, I'm removing 1.5 inch. Carving out my shape like this. Then I remove half inch from the waist. And mark the down like this. You can still make the down of your skirt wider if you want it to be full. Now this is what I did. I removed half inches from the waist. The hip measurements remains the same after dividing by 6 to get 8. Then from the knee line, I removed 1.5 inches. After cutting out, fold the fabric again, place the middle pieces on it like this. Remove your zip line, then cut out your shape. Fold again, place the pieces on top, cut out your shape. Continue this process till you get a complete 6 pieces. After cutting, this is how it looks. This is the lining I will be using to turn the 6 pieces. These are the pieces now. Open the pieces up and place your lining on it. And sew the two sides. This is the pieces after sewing the sides. Turn to the front and this is how it looks. This is the back middle pieces. And here is the zip line. Now I'll be joining the 6 pieces like this from the sides. Turn joining back and front. Join them with your main measurements and this is how it looks. This is the outcome of the joining. I will use this lining to turn the waist, then I will insert this rope through the waistline. This is the front view and this is the back view. You can decide to use rope on your skirts. You can decide to use zip. You can also decide to use elastic. So that's all you have to do to make a 6-piece skirt. Thanks for watching to this point. Hope this video was helpful. See you in my next video.